Hello everybody, it's Jeff here with AZ Camera Reviews, and today I'm going to talk about an iWatch. Now, I've had my iWatch for quite some time and I've got the standard type of band. I wanted something that was a little better. So I ended up looking at this smartwatch case. You can see that right there. And let's take a look at what's inside the case and I'll show you how to put it on. I wanted something that was just a little more beefy than what I had before. So let's check it out. So this is my iWatch. I've got a 45mm one, and this is the band that I have on it now. The band it's a nice band, but it's starting to flake off and everything like that. And I just wanted something that was going to protect the face a little more and protect the actual case. So I ended up getting this. It's called a smartwatch case. And I'm going to pull it out of here. There it is. There. Pull it out of the plastic bag. And that's what it looks like. Okay. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it up, show you how it comes apart. You push this side, that comes off. You push this side, and this comes off. And then what you do is you pull this off the back. It unsnaps like so. And now what I'm going to do is take the band off my watch, and then I'll show you how to install it on this. So as you can see, I've got the other watch band off. And what I'm going to do is install it in the actual case. So I'm going to turn it upside down, make sure that the stem is right there, and push that into place. That looks good. Now what we're going to do is take the back of the watch, and there's a little tab there. We're going to take that, we're going to place that right down there like that. We're going to click this top part into place. Okay, there we go. That's in. The bottom is in. Everything looks good. Okay, watch looks good. Okay, now we're going to take the band and we're going to put the band into place. And what you do is you click these two and push the band into place like so, and that clamps the back on. And now what we're going to do is we're going to do the same for this side. Okay. Okay, there it is. All set. So you can see this is coupled with the watch stem. You can change things. You can scroll. You can push that. You can do all this, pick stuff. This button down here, this works as well. So you have this button, and this. This is for your scrolling. The only thing that doesn't work is the EKG doesn't work because the stem isn't coupled totally with the stem up here, so it doesn't give you the feedback, but every other feature seems to work. So here it is. That's how it looks on my wrist. It's kind of big, but I don't mind that. It's got a nice flexible band, feels good on the wrist, and that's basically it. What else can you say about a watch band? But it's going to protect my watch, which is the main thing. So Until next time, I'm Jeff with AZ Camera Reviews saying, please watch us, please like us, please share us. Most of all, hit that button below and please subscribe. Until next time, bye-bye.